Morning everyone. Right, I bought myself some mats to use as a workout, and I'm going to put them together and I'm going to show you how to do it. Should have got them out prior of the box, but never mind. Phoenix is going to probably help as well. He was trying to help me yesterday. And we end up fighting on it. Right. These are the mats I bought. Very easy to do. I'm surprised. Very surprised. So, here is where I'm going to be doing my workout. And here it comes. Hello. What are you doing? Oi, what are you doing? Oi. What? Oh! Faith, Nix. Oh. I'm trying to do something. Oi. Oh. Mwah. Mwah. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Yes, people can see you. Mummy's trying to do something and you're in the way. Hey. Hello, Stinky. Hello, Stinky. Hello, Stinky. Hello, Stinky. Can I get on, please? Right. Come on. Trouble with having animals, they like to get involved. Hey. Phoenix. Phoenix. Oh. Oh. All right. Phoenix. Phoenix. Oh. Oh. And that's how we roll, isn't it? Get your nose. Come on. Oh. No! Oh, no. Calm. Calm. We don't get silly, do we? No, we don't. No, we don't. As you can see, they're easily locked in like a jigsaw puzzle. And as you can see, he's now in a huff because he's not getting his blooming way. Get off. Come on. None of that nonsense, mister. Aye. Aye. None of that nonsense. Right. Let's turn back this way. So, as you can see, they fit in nice and peasy, without any trouble. Hang on, I have to go and see what he's up to. Phoenix, what are you up to? Get in. You know it's naughty. Phoenix. Right. I'm back. Do you mind? Do you mind? Oh, Phoenix! Oh! Go away. Yeah, you go. Sit. As you can see, the edges can come off. And this is going to be a big mat before I work out. So it gives you a general idea, really, of how this fits together. As you can see, all nicely together, and you can do your yoga, workout, whatever it is. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it was useful. See you later.